guys, happy Sunday. Are you on day 5 of your no sugar challenge with me? Are you locked in for the month of October? Let me know. Okay, so the reason I'm doing this challenge is because I feel God is leading me to a cleaner diet, and a reset is a good place to start. Many people have heard of the Daniel fast. And the reason Daniel fasted was because he didn't want the king's rich foods. He didn't want to defile his body with the type of food that the king was eating because it went against his customs. He also wanted to honor God with his body. He wanted to honor God with what he ate. And I'm kind of feeling like that's what God wants for us too. Do you feel like God wants you to honor him with what you're eating, with a simpler diet? I mean, he had pulses, which is vegetables and some legumes and water. I don't know if I'm gonna just do vegetables and legumes and water, but I will be cutting back on a lot of things. And I'm gonna break mine up. It's gonna be maybe 10 days of one thing, 10 days of something else, and then the final 10 days. But I'm listening to God each week for what he is instructing me to do. I'm not out here on my own trying to work through this reset. I am praying every morning, listening to God, and I know for the first few days it has been mainly fruit and vegetables, raw fruit and vegetables. I've been consuming watermelon, my fruit and vegetable chopped up salad that I make, and so I'm actually excited to see what the next 7 to 10 days are going to bring. But that is because I'm praying and I'm listening for God's voice, his direction, because he knows what my body needs and what it does not need. We live in such a culture, a diet culture, where it's hard to know what to do. There are so many different voices saying, eat this way, eat that way, don't eat this, make sure you eat that. There's so many opinions on one food. One food, like protein, for instance. It just take meat. Meat is inflammatory. No, meat is the best thing on the planet. It's the best food. So it's hard to know, according to the culture, what to do. But we're not of this kingdom. This is not our culture. This is the world's way of eating. God has a kingdom plan for us and how to eat according to what he knows is best for us. So we can stop all the confusion, all the voices, all the noises of what others are saying we should do, and listen to the one who is always right, the one who is never wrong, the one whose voice we can stand on, the one who speaks to us and gives us truth always, and that is the voice of God. He is our rock. He is our firm foundation, and we can always take him at his word. And he will answer us. He cares about the details. If God catches our tears in a bottle, how much more would he want us to eat in a way that is healthy and brings vitality to us? I know that he created food. He created food for the nourishment of our body. He created our bodies, and he created the foods we need to eat to nourish our bodies. He's given us everything we need for life and godliness. So pray and ask God what it is that you should be eating today. What it is you should be eating this month. What sugars should you be avoiding? And ask him what you can consume that's healthy for you, that's not dangerous for you, that's not toxic for your body, that's not detrimental for you. And I could go on and on about sugar, but I will in some future videos talk about the dangers of eating sugar in excessive amounts and how that does not honor God, because we're not taking care of the bodies, the temple that he has given us. So like, comment, subscribe, leave me a comment below and let me know that you are locked in for this 30 days. We are already in it and we are doing it. And I will also leave a link to the Facebook group if you want to come over there or just join me in the community on YouTube, and we will just talk about it then. I will see you in the comments. Have a great day.